Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to write one more notice. In the last class, I told you about the procedures of writing a notice, and I gave you an example also. Today we are going to look at yet another question, just to have a practice on what we learned. One more notice we are going to write. So please take down the question. Please take your copies and write down this question that I am going to dictate. Okay, I'll giving you a question and you write it down, and then I'll give you an explanation, and accordingly you can write your notice. All right, ready? Okay, please take it now. Start writing. Write a notice to be put up on the school notice board informing the students about the election of the school captain of your school on 5th March 2021. I repeat once again. Write a notice to be put up on the school notice board informing the students about the election of the school captain of your school to be held on 5th March. Is that clear? Okay, now let's look at the writing part of it. How do we have to write? Yesterday I told you, okay, you have to write a catchy heading. Now this I told you is not part of your notice. Okay, this is the notice that comes. The catchy heading that I have written here is vote your favorite to power. Here what I mean, you vote your favorite candidate, your favorite friend, your favorite student to power, to the power of the school captain. So that is what is the catchy heading that I have written. The first step of writing a notice is to write a catchy heading. Second, election of the school captain. That is the brief explanation about the program. When we read this, we should understand what is this notice about. Okay, so that I have written election of the school captain. Now, when is the date is important, and that is given already in your question. On 5th March 2021 or 2021. So that's given in the question, so you can write that. Now time you can decide. Okay, I have written here from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. 2 hours. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And the place, the venue, at the Don Bosco stage, Don Bosco Academy. Okay, I told you if you have to get 1 mark for this, it is half mark plus half mark. You have to write in 2 sections. So I have written that like this. Alright, and then now look into the question. You are only asked to inform the students about the election. You are not asked the students to give their names as candidates or what are the criterion to stand as a candidate. Nothing we are asked to mention in our notice. So nothing is written. So depending upon the question that is given, let us remain to the core of it. So here we are supposed to inform only about the election of the candidate. All other procedures, there are many procedures we know, but we are not asked to inform about it, so we need not worry about it. It is hereby informed that the school election to be held be it is hereby informed that the school election to elect the school captain will be held on 5th March 2021. 5th March 2021. It is hereby informed that the school election to elect the school captain will be held on 5th March 2021. All the students are eligible to vote. So there is no limitation, there is no exemption. All the students of our school are eligible to vote. Okay, that's all what we have to write. Fine. Now I told you the marking. I got 1 mark here, 1 mark here, half mark here, half mark here. Here it is 1 mark, and this is only 1 mark. Of course, this time I have written 2 sentences. I told you to write maximum 2 sentences. That is enough, because the mark is only 1 for all these. Whatever you write, even if you write the full board, you are not going to get anything more than 1 plus. If you made more mistake by writing more, then you will lose even what you have. Okay, so keep that in mind and write. Fine. If there is any doubt, any clarification required, please contact me over the phone. I will be happy to explain that to you. Is that all right? Thank you. Bye.